Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery bracket, solid-state drives, and battery. Removal. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel and tape on the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel and tape on the top cover. Connect the speaker cable into its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.